What is Nespresso coffee? This machine brews the coffee under pressure, which gives it a rich flavor. Nespresso coffee is often more expensive than regular coffee, but many people believe it is worth the price. Nespresso coffee is a type of espresso that is made with a special machine. The machine uses a capsule of coffee that is inserted into the machine and then hot water is added. This creates a very strong, concentrated cup of coffee. Nespresso coffee is becoming increasingly popular due to its convenience and rich flavor. Nespresso coffee was first developed in 1986 by Nestlé, and it has been growing in popularity ever since. The original machine was called the Nespresso Pixie, and it is still a popular choice today. Nespresso coffee is a type of espresso that is made with a special machine. The machine uses a capsule of coffee that is inserted into the machine and then hot water is added. What are the different types of Nespresso coffee? Original line. The original line is the classic Nespresso coffee experience. It offers a wide range of intense and aromatic coffees. Virtuo line. The Virtuo line is designed to provide a richer, fuller-bodied coffee. It offers a variety of coffees with different profiles, from light and fruity to dark and bold. Nespresso Latissima coffee machines. The Latissima coffee machines are designed for those who enjoy lattes and cappuccinos. These machines come with a built-in milk frother, so you can easily make your favorite espresso-based drinks at home. Nespresso Pixie coffee machine. The Pixie coffee machine is a small, compact machine that is perfect for those who want great coffee without taking up too much counter space. Nespresso City Z coffee machine. The City Z coffee machine is a mid-range machine that offers a variety of features, including a built-in milk frother. Nespresso Inisha coffee machine. The Inisha coffee machine is a small, lightweight machine that is perfect for on-the-go brewing. Nespresso Virtuo Line Evoluo coffee machine. The Virtuo Line Evoluo coffee machine is a higher-end Virtuo Line machine that offers more features and options than the original Virtuo Line machines. The pros and cons of Nespresso coffee. The pros. Number 1, there are a variety of different flavors to choose from. Number 2, there are a variety of different types of coffee to choose from. Number 3, it is easy to make a delicious cup of coffee with Nespresso. Number 4, the machines are easy to use and clean. The cons. Number 1, Nespresso machines can be expensive. Number 2, you need to purchase special pods in order to make coffee with an espresso machine. Number 3, the machines can be bulky and take up a lot of space. Number 4, there is limited variety when it comes to the types of coffee available in pods. Number 5, some people find that the coffee tastes too strong or bitter. Nespresso coffee is a type of coffee that is made with an espresso machine. The machines are made by Nestlé and they use capsules filled with ground coffee. The coffee is brewed by forcing pressurized water through the grounds at high speeds. This creates a very rich and thick coffee with a lot of crema on top. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.